Violence against women can never be excused. Rape can leave victims scarred for life. However, there is a fine line that separates consent and coercion, which needs to be respected. While adjudicating on cases of rape, the judiciary must be mindful of this, warns the recent pronouncements made by judges in India. This week, a two-judge bench of Justices B.V. Nagarathna and N. Kotiswar Singh ruled that a consensual relationship which doesn't end in marriage cannot always be given a criminal color. This indicates that the judiciary is evolving and grappling with the dynamics of modern-day relationships. Can promise of marriage land a man behind bars for rape? News9 Plus Decodes. Invoking criminal law against men on allegations of rape on the false pretext of marriage after a long consensual relationship is unfair. Supreme Court is disturbed with that and has described it as a worrying trend. What did the Supreme Court bench say in the judgment? Not all physical relationships can be attributed to a promise for marriage, noted judges Nagarathna and Singh. In our view, if a man is accused of having sexual relationships by making a false promise of marriage, and if he is to be held criminally liable, any such physical relationship must be traceable directly to the false promise made and not qualified by other circumstances or consideration. Woman may have reasons to have her physical relationship other than the promise of marriage made by the man, such as personal liking for the male partner, without insisting upon formal marital ties, said the judgment. If a long and consensual relationship gets disturbed, many a time the woman accuses the man of rape. The judiciary must be mindful of such a scenario, wrote Justice N.K. Singh. If criminality is to be attached to such prolonged physical relationship at a very belated stage, it can lead to a serious consequence. It will open the scope for imputing criminality to such long-term relationships after turning sour, as such an allegation can be made even at a belated stage to drag a person in the juggernaut of stringent criminal process. There's always a danger of attributing criminal intent to any otherwise disturbed civil relationship, of which the court must also be mindful. Is this the first time such an observation has been made by the courts? Not exactly. In October, a two-judge Supreme Court bench quashed criminal proceedings against a man accused of raping a woman on the pretext of marriage. Justices C.T. Ravikumar and Rajesh Bindal noted that the couple had been living together for a long time and there was a history of consensual sex. So the relationship couldn't possibly be categorized as rape. What does the law say about this? Sex, even if consensual, based on a false promise to marry is an offence. In case a man persuades a woman to have sex with him by promising to marry her but has no intention of fulfilling that promise by law, that is rape. If convicted, the accused can be sent to jail for up to 10 years under Section 69 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita.